The Vivo V20 SE is lightweight and has a 3D slim body. It is available in aquamarine green and gravity black colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory that allows for seamless multitasking. The memory is expandable up to 1TB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Vivo V20 SE has a 6.44-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a 90.12% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted and immersive viewing experience. With 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution and P3 color gamut, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. Vivo V20 SE comes with a 48-megapixel AI triple rear camera setup, including a wide-angle and a macro camera. With EIS in rear camera, you can record smooth and stable videos even while in motion. The phone also features a 32-megapixel front camera with Aura screen light for clicking brighter portraits at night. Powered by Funtouch OS 11 that is based on Android 10 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor, this phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Vivo V20 SE comes with a 4100 mAh lithium-ion battery with 33-watt flash charge. The box includes handset, earpiece, documentation, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.